Hello, Mr. Brown's office.
Yes, is Mr. Brown in?
Just a moment, please. No, I'm sorry, he isn't in.
Where is he?
I think he's in a meeting.
In a meeting?
Yes, I think so.
Will he be back by 2 o'clock?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, well, thank you.
You're welcome. Come in.
Hi, Sheila.
Hi, Sue.
Does Mr. Brown have a meeting tomorrow?
I think he has a meeting.
Can you check?
No, I can't.
Why not?
My nails are wet.
Can I check?
Sure.
Thanks. Yes. He does have a meeting tomorrow. Thanks, Sheila.
You're welcome, Sue. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, no. Not again. Hello, Mr. Brown's office? Hello? Hello? Hello, Mr. Brown's office?
Sheila, this is Mr. Brown.
Oh, hello, Mr. Brown.
Sheila, do I have a meeting tomorrow?
I think you have a meeting tomorrow.
What time is my meeting?
I'm not sure.
Well, can you check?
Sure, Mr. Brown. Just a moment.
Hello? Sheila?
Yes, Mr. Brown. Just a moment, please. Okay. Hello, Mr. Brown? Hello? Hello? I think I need a new job.
Janet, I like you.
I like you too, Dave.
No, Janet, I really like you.
I like you too.
No, you don't understand. I like you a lot.
Dave, I like you a lot too.
Really?
Yes.
Janet,
What, Dave?
Janet, I love you.
I love you too, Dave.
You love me too?
Yes.
I am so happy.
I'm happy too, Dave.
I'm so happy, Janet. I want to sing. I want to sing, Janet. Don't you want to sing?
No. I want to eat. I'm hungry.
Oh, Janet.
Oh, this clock is beautiful. Yes, it is.
Who is this for?
That's for my aunt.
Oh. And this photo album. Oh, it's so nice. Who is this for?
That's for my uncle.
Oh, your uncle. And this diary. Who is this for?
The diary, that's for my boss.
Oh. And this book. Who is this for?
That one? Oh, that one is for my brother.
Oh. And this telephone. Who is this for?
Oh, yes. That telephone is for my sister. She loves talking on the telephone.
She does. Oh. Oh, this watch. Oh, it's beautiful.
Do you like it?
Oh, it's really nice.
That's for my mom.
Oh. What's this?
Oh, that's cologne.
Oh, who is this for?
That's for my dad.
Well, what are these?
Oh, those are presents for my friends.
For your friend?
Yeah. This one is for Mark.
Oh, and who is this for?
This one is for Bill.
Oh.
It's pretty.
And who is this for?
And this one is for Karen.
Oh, I see.
And this one's for you.
Oh, Anne!
Why do you like the beach?
Because it's quiet.
It's not quiet here. It's noisy.
Well, why do you like the beach?
Because it's sunny.
It's not sunny, it's cloudy. And why did you choose this hotel?
Because it's cheap.
Yes, it's cheap and it's noisy.
It's not too noisy. And it's near the beach.
Why did you choose this beach?
Because it's not too far from the city. Why did you choose this steak?
Because it's delicious.
Yes, it's delicious, but it's expensive.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
Is this the wine that you ordered?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And why did you choose that wine?
Because it's French. I like French wine very much.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, hi, Sue. How are you?
I'm fine, Dad. Thanks.
That's good.
Dad,
Yes, dear.
I don't want to bother you.
Oh, you're not bothering me.
Well, Dad, I need a new shirt for school.
Okay. Here's $30. Will that be enough?
Oh, it's enough. Thanks, Dad. You're the greatest.
I love you, and I want you to be happy.
I love you too, Dad. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hi, Dad. How are you?
I'm fine.
Dad, I need a new shirt for school and,
Well, what do you want?
can I borrow some money?
Go ask your mother.
I already asked her.
Oh, all right. How much?
$30?
$30? That's too much.
But Dad,
Here's 20.
only 20? That's not enough.
Well, go out and get a job then.
You know, you're very pretty.
Pardon me?
I said you're very pretty.
Oh, no, I'm not.
Oh yes, you're beautiful.
Well, thank you. You're very nice.
I like your long hair.
Really?
I don't like women with short hair.
Excuse me, would you like another drink, sir?
Yes, please, and one for the lady.
Oh, no, thank you.
Come on, just one.
Well, okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My name is Frank. What's yours?
I'm Alice.
Alice. It's nice to meet you, Alice.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you an American?
No, I'm not. I'm from Australia.
Oh, well, do you like America?
Yes, I do. But it's cold here in New York in December.
Yes, very cold. Is it cold in Australia?
No, it isn't. It's very nice.
Where do you live in New York?
I live in a tall, old building in Manhattan.
Wow, sounds nice. I'd really like to see it. Is it very expensive?
Yes, it's very expensive.
I live in a cheap old house in New Jersey.
In New Jersey.
Yeah, it's quiet there. It's not like New York where it's really noisy and expensive.
It's noisy and expensive here, but it's exciting.
Tell me, Alice,
Yes? What is it?
well, Alice, are you married?
Yes, I am. This is my husband.
Hello.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Yes, I was wondering how much is it for a ticket to Boston?
By air?
Yes,
It's $80.
$80. And how much by train?
It's $16.
And by bus?
By bus?
Yes.
Let me check.
Okay.
Okay, by bus is $14.
And how much time does it take by bus?
It takes 10 hours by bus.
And how much time does it take by plane?
It takes 1 hour by air.
Okay, that's fast.
Yes, it's very fast.
And how much time does it take by train?
Well, the train is quite slow. It takes 14 hours.
Ooh, that is slow.
Yes, it's slow, but it's safe.
I think I'll go by bus. How much was that?
$14.
Okay, just a minute. There's $14.
Thank you. And when do you want to go?
I would like to go on Saturday morning.
Okay, here's your ticket, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thanks.
Honey? Honey, I bought a new blouse. What do you think of it? I bought a new blouse. What do you think of it?
Why did you choose red?
Oh, because I like red.
Oh,
Do you like it?
well, it's very red.
I know. I love red. And look. Look. I bought a new bag.
What?
I bought a new bag. What do you think? Oh, do you like it? It's really pretty.
How much is it?
Oh, it wasn't expensive, honey.
Why did you choose a red bag?
Because I love red bags. Do you like it?
It's not expensive?
No, it's cheap.
Okay, I like it.
Oh, good. Because it goes so well with my new red shoes.
You bought new shoes?
Yes! What do you think of my new shoes?
You already have so many shoes.
Oh, but these are so pretty. Do you like them?
Why did you choose red again?
Because they go so well with my new bag. What do you think?
Okay, you have a new bag, new shoes, and a new blouse.
Yes, what do you think?
I think you look like a new wife.
Oh.
Here you go, honey.
Thanks.
What would you like for dinner?
I don't know. Oh?
Would you like fish?
Sure. I don't care.
Would you like pork?
Sure. I don't care.
Would you like steak?
Oh, sure. I don't care.
Would you like old shoes?
Oh, sure. I don't care.
Would you like a table near the window?
Near the window?
Yes. Would you like that?
Yes, I would like a table near the window.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Here's the menu, sir. What would you like to drink?
What do you have?
We have red wine, white wine, rose wine, champagne, coffee, tea.
Do you have water?
Would you like water?
Yes, I would like water.
What would you like for lunch?
I don't know.
Would you like our fish? Our fish is delicious.
No, I don't like fish.
Would you like beef? Our steak is excellent.
No, I don't like steak.
How about our seafood? Our seafood is very good.
Ugh, I hate seafood.
Well, what would you like?
Do you have pizza?
No, I'm sorry, we don't have pizza. We do have Italian food. Would you like Italian food?
No, I will have a salad.
Very good. One salad, sir. Thank you. Here is your salad, sir. Sir? Excuse me,
Yes.
can you help me?
Sure.
I'm looking for the museum.
The museum?
Yes, the museum on Park Avenue.
Oh, it's about a half a kilometer that way.
Half a kilometer?
Uh-huh. It's not far. You can walk.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, can I help you?
Yes, I'm going to the museum.
The museum on Park Avenue?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, it's quite far.
How far?
Oh, it's about half a kilometer. That way.
That way?
Yes, Park Avenue is that way.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Yes.
How late are you open?
We're open until 5.
5?
Yes.
It's 5 now.
I'm sorry. You can come back tomorrow.
All right. See you tomorrow. Excuse me.
Yes.
What is that woman drinking?
She's drinking orange juice. She always drinks orange juice.
Does she come here a lot?
Not very often. She usually comes 2 or 3 times a month.
Does she like beer?
No, she never drinks beer. She always drinks orange juice.
Does she usually come alone?
Usually. But sometimes she comes with her friends.
I'd like to buy her a drink.
An orange juice?
Yes, please.
Gentleman over there.
Thank you.
Hi, Doctor.
Karen, I'm going out to lunch now.
What time will you be back?
I'll be back about 1 o'clock.
Dr. Wilson's office. No, he's not in. He's gone out for lunch, and he'll be back at 1 o'clock. Goodbye.
Hi, Karen.
Hi, Dr. Johnson.
Is Don in?
No, he's gone out for lunch.
Oh. What time will he be back?
1 o'clock.
Thank you.
Bye. Dr. Wilson's office. No, I'm sorry. He's out for lunch. Can I take a message? Call Christine. Okay, I'll give him the message. You're welcome. Bye. Liz,
Yes, Karen.
I'm going out for lunch. Can you answer the phone?
Sure. What time will you be back?
1:30.
1:30.
Right, and Dr. Wilson is out to lunch, and he'll be back at 1 o'clock.
Okay, well, have a nice lunch.
Thanks.
Dr. Wilson's office. No, I'm sorry, he's out to lunch. He'll be back at 1:30. No, 1 o'clock. Yes, I can take a message. Your name? Bob. And your phone number? 543-9876. Okay, just 1 second, please. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Oh, no. 543-9786. No. 543-9687. No. Dr. Wilson's office? No, Karen is out for lunch. She'll be back at 1 o'clock. You're welcome. Bye. Dr. Wilson's office? I'm sorry, Dr. Wilson is out for lunch. He'll be back at, do you want to leave a message? Okay. Call Dr. Brown at 3 o'clock. Okay, thank you. I will give him the message. You're welcome. Bye. Hello, Dr. Wilson's office. Hello, Dr. Wilson's office.
Hi. Ann? This is Bill.
Hi, how are you?
Fine. Ann, can you go to a movie with me on Friday?
On Friday?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I can't. I have to go visit a friend in the hospital.
Okay. Well, next time then.
Sure, Bill. Bye.
Bye. Hello, Nancy?
Yes?
This is Bill.
Oh, hi, Bill.
How are you?
Oh, I'm just fine.
Nancy, can you go dancing with me on Friday night?
Oh, Bill, I'm sorry, but I have to go shopping with my mom on Friday night.
Really? That's too bad.
Yeah, I'm really sorry.
No problem. Next time, okay?
Okay. Talk
Okay.
to you later, Bill.
Bye. Hello, may I speak to Fred, please?
Just a minute, please.
Hello?
Hey, Fred, it's Bill.
Oh, hi, Bill. What are you doing?
Well, I'm calling to see if you can go bowling with me on Friday night.
I'm sorry, I can't. I have to go shopping with Nancy on Friday night.
Shopping? With Nancy?
Yes, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Bye, Fred.
Bye-bye.
Hey, come on in. Come on in. Gosh, I'm surprised.
Hello, Susan. Oh, I am so busy. I have to go to the supermarket. I have to go to the bank. I have to clean the house. I have to wash clothes. And I have to cut the grass. And I have to cook dinner.
Me too. I have to go to the beauty shop. I have to go to the hospital to visit a friend. I have to go to the dentist. I have to visit my mother. I'm busy too.
Well, talk to you later.
Bye.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I'm waiting for a friend.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes. I would like another glass of wine, please.
Certainly, sir.
Waiter?
Yes, sir.
Where is the phone?
It's over there, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello.
Table for one?
No, for two. I'm meeting a friend.
This way, please.
Okay?
Are you ready to order now, sir?
No. I'm still waiting for a friend.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, waiter?
Yes, sir.
Where's the men's room?
It's over here, sir.
Oh, thank you.
Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the ladies' room?
It's right over there, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Judy?
Frank,
You're late.
I'm late?
Excuse me.
No,
Yes.
you're late.
No, I've been here for an hour. You're late.
For an hour?
Excuse me.
Oh, I'm late. Oh, I'm sorry.
Why were you late?
Excuse me. I had to work overtime tonight.
Excuse me.
That's okay. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Let's eat.
Okay.
You're late.
I know.
Why are you late?
My car broke down.
Your car broke down.
Yeah, so I took the train.
You took the train, so why are you late?
I missed the train.
How did you miss the train?
Well, I had to go to the dentist.
The dentist?
Yeah, my tooth hurt.
So how did you get here?
I came by taxi.
By taxi? How are we going to get the money home?
We can take another taxi.
A taxi? Are you crazy?
I'm not crazy. How did you get here?
I took the bus.
We can just take another bus home.
A bus? Are you crazy?
I'm not crazy. Stop! This is the police!
Oh no! Not again!
Do you want to do something now? Yeah. What about you? What do you want to do? I want to go to the park. Why do you want to go to the park? I want to see some flowers and trees. But I don't want to go to the park. Do you want to go to the cinema? Not really. I want to go to the supermarket. Do you want to buy something? Yeah. I want to buy some chocolate and fruits. I'm hungry. Okay, I'll go with you. Now, we'll look at the pronunciation of each word and sentences. Do you wanna do something? Remember th, something. something now. Something now. Match them together word by word so that you can speak quickly. Something now. Something now. Do something now. Do you want to go out with me? Where do you want to go? I want to go to the shopping mall. What do you want to buy? I want to buy some shirts and dresses. And I want to buy a pair of shoes. So let's go with me. Now, do you wanna go out? Go out with me? Go out with me? Do you wanna go out with me? Where do you wanna go? Where do you wanna go? I wanna go to the shopping mall. To the shopping mall. Shopping, remember SH. Shopping. Shopping mall, and this is along or more. Shopping mall. I want to go to the shopping mall. I want to go to the shopping mall. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? I want to buy some shirts and dresses. Shirts, dresses. One dress and dresses. Okay, two or more dresses. I want to buy some shirts and dresses. Shirts and dresses. Link them together. Shirts and dresses. I want to buy some shirts and dresses. And I want to buy a pair of shoes. Anything that have two things together, like maybe like a pair of earrings, a pair of glasses. You have to say a pair of, that means two go together, the same for the same thing, like a pair of shoes. And I want to buy a pair of shoes, so let's go with me. Hi, come in. Long time no see. How are you? I'm still good. Do you want to drink something? Well, I want to have some tea, please. Sure. Do you want to eat some cookies? That would be great. Thanks. Okay. Hi, come in. Okay, link them together. Come in. Long time no see. Hi, come in. Long time no see. How are you? How. This is, remember, don't say how, okay? Or don't say how. This is how. How are you? I'm still good. I'm still good. Do you want to drink something? Do you want to? Remember, drink something. Do you want to drink something? What? I'm still good. Do you want to drink something? Sure. Sorry. Well, I want to have some tea, please. Want to have. Remember, this is have. Well, I want to have some tea, please. Remember, please. Sure. Do you want to eat some cookies? Do you wanna eat some cookies? That'll be great. That'll be great. Thanks.